came up and he started crying. The disciple was crying. You're here yet? He said, I'm always here. Where have I gone? I was in Vrindavan, I'm still in Vrindavan. When I was in Puri, I was in Puri or Vrindavan. I'm always here. I'm always in with Krishna, Radha and Krishna. And the disciple was so worried on his face. What is your worry? What is your distress? All the property, problem, government. And the Guruji said, listen. Oh, then the disciple, Jan Chandra, said, Guruji, can you please come with me to Puri and solve this problem? He said, no. I am now in my aprakrita. I am in my aprakrita chinmaya deha. And you are seeing it. And I am absorbed in my nitya seva. In my manjari seva to Radharani in Dear Shamir Kunj. I have my seva. Don't worry, everything will be alright. You go back to Puri. So he went back to Puri and everything became alright. By Guru Kripa he gave along the key. Jai. So this is called Sakshat Darshan as Guru. So from this story we can learn something. He was advised, oh you're having problems, oh you're worrying, oh my dear disciple of Srila Prabhupada, oh my dear disciple of Srila Bhakti Sridhar Swami Maharaj, you're facing obstacles, you're feeling problems, you're feeling separation, you're sad, you lost your inspiration, then go to his samadhi in Radhakund. Because he's eternally doing bhajan here and it's a prakrita chinmaya deha. Bhakti Sridhar is sitting here as a prakrita chinmaya deha doing bhajan on the banks of Radhakund. So this is the point. So we can come here to a samadhi, or as Pushpa Samadhi in, I suppose, Manipur, Pushpa Samadhi. Or we can go to his Bhajan Kutir. But this samadhi is special, because it's his Prakriti Chinmaya Deya is here. And not only that, this is not only his samadhi, but it's his Bhajan Stali. This place of Manipur is his Seva Stali. That is his Guru, Prabhu Datta Desh. That's his Prabhupada Datta Desh. That's his Seva Stali. You make a school, make a Bhagavad University, this, that, the other thing. He did it. It's going on. But this is his Bhajan Stali. His Nitya Bhajan Stali is here on the banks of Radhakund. And so many times he talked about his Bhajan in Radhakund. And he would say, I want to live in that room, I'm going to write poetry to Radha and Krishna, I'm going to live in that room on the first floor, I'm going to look at Radhakund. Many things he told me about. When he was, I said, Maharaj, when are you going to, I'm sitting in your Bhajan Stali, in your Radhakund temple doing Bhajan. By your grace, I'm in your place. And then when are you coming? When are you going to spend your... Oh, I have my seva there, this science conference in Delhi, and this one and that. So now he's here. So if you have any problems or any difficulties, try to learn to have these 5 darshans with Guru. Vani Darshan, Vapu Darshan, Chaitya Guru Darshan, Spurti Darshan, and Sakshatkara Darshan. It's all available to each one of you. There's no question of separation. It's 24 hours association.